Hi everyone, welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. Today I'm going to be sharing the 2021 Toyota CHR with you. This is the XLE premium model. It has a Blizzard Pearl exterior. It's a 5-passenger compact sports utility vehicle, and it's considered a crossover. However, it comes in front-wheel drivetrain only. The CHR is along the more bold side in terms of design and offers plenty of great features. Let's go have a look at the interior. Alright, here we are on the driver's side. Interior, you can tell, is quite spacious. You'll probably notice immediately the metallic blue paneling on the dash, door panel, and the blue stitching in the fabric seating. Okay, on the door panels, we have all of our automatic windows and locks, as well as our power adjustable heated side mirror controls. Another fun feature about these side mirrors is that they have puddle lamps. So the pavement at night is illuminated on both driver's and passenger sides and prevents anyone from stepping in any puddles. And then down here we have our cup holder. Both driver and passenger seats are heated. The driver's seat has power lumbar adjustment, and then there is manual adjustment for both driver and passenger side seats. Get in. Our push start engine, our heated leather wrapped steering wheel with our Bluetooth and audio controls. The CHR XLE offers Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which includes safety and driver assistance features that include Pro Collision System with vehicle and pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing, steering assisted, blind spot monitor, and automatic high beams. Find that right there. Go. Here's our 8-inch infotainment touchscreen display that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and as well as our backup camera display. Our climate control center. Down here below the dash is the smaller cubby with the USB port. Cup holder here. Leather wrap shift knob. And our electronic brake hold. So this allows you to keep your foot off the brake while at a stoplight. Cup holder. Removable bottom here, so it allows for extra tall drinks. Center console storage, the power outlet. Passenger side door with power windows and locks. Push open glove box. Plenty of room there. Looking up, we have our interior lighting controls. Okay. We'll have to step outside and have a look outside. So as you can see, the CHR's body and design is probably its most distinctive feature. Lots of expressive lines. Cat eye-like headlamps that have LED daytime running lights and projector halogen bulbs for high and low beams. Also, the 2021 model has a more pronounced front bumper. Here we have our 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels and the unique passenger door handles located up top here beside the window. Come around to the rear, you'll notice its protruding taillights, small spoiler, and the shark fin antenna up top. Hatchback-like trunk, ample storage space in the cargo area with the removable storage cover. Plenty of legroom back here. You can see blue pattern on the fabric seating, 60/40 split seats, unique pattern on the door panel, automatic windows, and cup holder. The 2021 CHR has a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and puts out 144 horsepower. It's equipped with a 50-liter tank that only requires regular fuel. Delivers great fuel economy with ratings of 8.7 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 7.5 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 38 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. If you're looking for a vehicle with a perfect blend of sport and practicality, this 2021 CHR may just be the one for you. Give us a call today at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to safely book your drive test.